Now CX8's coming, CX9's coming, and during Rubin's time frame, we would like to scale out the number of GPUs to many hundreds of thousands. This connection on scale up is copper. We should use copper as far as we can, and that's, call it a meter or two. And that's incredibly good connectivity, very high reliability, very good energy efficiency, very low cost. And so we use copper as much as we can on scale up, but on scale out, where the data centers are now the size of the stadium, we're gonna need something much long distance running. And that's just where Silicon Photonics comes in. Okay, so first of all, we're announcing NVIDIA's first co-packaged option, Silicon Photonics system. It is the world's first 1.6 terabit per second CPO. It is based on a technology called micro-ring resonator modulator, and it is completely built with this incredible process technology at TSMC that we've been working with for some time. And we partnered with just a giant ecosystem of technology providers to invent what I'm about to show you. This is really crazy technology. Just a technology marvel. And they turn into these switches. Our InfiniBand switch, the silicon is working fantastically. Second half of this year, we will ship the Silicon Photonics switch in the second half of this year. In the second half of next year, we'll ship the Spectrum X. Because of the MRM choice, because of the incredible technology risks that over the last 5 years that we did, and filed hundreds of patents, and we've licensed it to our partners so that we can all build them. Now, we're in a position to put Silicon Photonics with co-packaged options, no transceivers, fiber, direct fiber into our switches with a radix of 512. This is the 512 ports. This would just simply not be possible any other way. And so this now set us up to be able to scale up to these multi-100,000 GPUs and multi-million GPUs. And the benefit, just so you imagine this, it's incredible. In a data center, we could save tens of megawatts. Let's say 10 megawatts, well, let's say 60 megawatts. 6 megawatts is 10 Rubin Ultra racks. 6 megawatts is 10 Rubin Ultra racks, right? And 60, that's a lot. 100 Rubin Ultra racks of power that we can now deploy into Rubins.